I'm Tony, the owner of Homeowner Repair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the wiper blade from the rear of your Kia Sportage. This one happens to be a 2018, so if your Kia is around this year, your Sportage, it should be the same procedure. It's not that hard to do, but it can be a little intimidating looking at this thing. But before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help us out a ton. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. When you ring the bell, you'll get a notification when we upload videos. So let's get cracking on this. I'll show you what the process is. All right, so I have Brenna that's going to help me out. She's my cameraman girl. So you're all set, Brenna. We can show these guys how to change the wiper out. So this is a pretty easy procedure. All you're going to need to do is you're going to lift the rear wiper up like that. And if you come over here, I want to show you, like, there's a notch in here. So you're going to take the wiper, come out like this, and you're almost going to kind of push it down and out. And come over here for a minute. There's a little notch we'll zero in on. So it's at an angle. So when you put the wiper blade back, this one's new. I don't need to replace it. Just wanted to show you guys what was involved. You're going to slide the wiper blade in like that. Push it up into the notch. Make sure it clicks in. Give it a little tug. And then put the wiper on back down and you should be all set. That's all there really is to it. It's a pretty easy, simple procedure. It'll take you all of about a minute to change it out. But it can look a little intimidating. That's probably why some of you guys are asking me how to do it. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Hope it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell when you do. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you out on the internet. Thanks for watching, guys.